In this video, we are going to concentrate on the number 0 in mathematics. We are going to consider 8 different parts. Brief history of 0, multiplying by 0, dividing by 0, 0 to the power of 0, 0 to the power of a positive integer, 0 to the power of a negative integer, addition of 0 to other integers, subtraction of 0 to other integers. Zero represents a neutral position on the integer number line. 0 is also known as nought, nil, and at times O. In philosophy, 0 represents a void, nothing. But the mathematical 0 displays strange properties when used in solving mathematical problems. The number 0 made its way from Babylon to the ancient city of Greece, then to the Hindu Indians, then to the Arabs and to China. The Romans did not embrace nothingness, void or empty. Hence, the church and Europe rejected 0. It wasn't logical to buy goods and services with 0 or a negative integer, so the church declared it as evil. Italian mathematicians later introduced 0 in their research, and it gradually began gaining acceptance. The church finally accepted it. 0 has been accepted worldwide. Yet, there are still many aspects of 0 that even mathematicians struggle to explain, which we are going to see in a second. However, mathematicians over the years have developed ways to deal with 0 while solving mathematical problems. Let's look at multiplying a number by 0. Any number you multiply with 0 actually will give you 0. It doesn't matter whether if it's a number or alphabet. This means if you multiply a number with nothing, it's going to give you nothing. Dividing by 0. Dividing any number by 0 is not allowed in mathematics. That is, 0 is not allowed at the denominator of any number or alphabet. In mathematics, it does not exist, hence we say it is undefined. This is also undefined. 0 as the numerator is allowed in mathematics, and whenever 0 divides any number, it returns 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0, or 0 divided by any number or alphabet is 0. 0 divide itself is not allowed. That is, it does not exist and is written as undefined. In conclusion, any number divided by 0 is undefined, is not allowed, it does not exist. And 0 divide any number or alphabet is 0. 0 to the power of 0. 0 is not allowed to raise itself up. It simply does not exist. It is undefined. However, any other number to the power of 0 is 1. 5 to the power of 0 is 1. E to the power of 0 is 1. 1 to the power of 0 is 1. As long as this negative is enclosed in a bracket, is equal to 1. Also, this is equal to 1, but there is a minus in front of it. 5 to the power of 0 is 1, there is a minus in front of it. The minus in front of this one is not affected by the 0. Also, the negative in front of this 5 is not affected by the 0. That's why it returned power of a positive integer. 0 to the power of any positive integer definitely will return 0. It doesn't matter what number it is, as long as it's not 0 and it's not negative, it will return 0. 0 to the power of a negative integer. One 0 raises up any negative integer is not allowed in mathematics. It does not exist. Hence, it is absolutely undefined whenever 0 raises a negative. Addition of 0 to other integers. If you add 0 to any integer, for example, 0 plus 3 will return 3. 0 plus 5 will return 5. Also, if you add a number to 0, it will return the number. For example, 150 plus 0 will return 150. 85 plus 0 will return 85. Subtraction of 0 to other integers. 0 minus 4 returns minus 4. 0 minus 9 returns minus 9. However, 9 minus 0 returns 9. 25 minus 0 returns 25. Despite the challenges of 0 in mathematics and business transactions, it has become a hero in the world of computer programming and hardware design. 0 has become something we cannot do without. If this video was helpful, subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in the next video.